We've had, ito ho, yung kaninang that I wanted to save the process, nandyan po yung aming mga actual intelligence consultants na sila po yung nag-aaral mismo ng sektor, tinutulungan po kami. And then, we had a series of focus group discussions where kinausap po namin kayo. I think most of you who are here today at one point on time have attended. Tapos nagkaroon po kami, nadagdagan pa po yun ng iba pang usapin with mall developers, with manufacturers. And then, today, nung narinig po namin yung FGDs, nalaman namin na meron specific agencies of government na parang mas interesado kayo. In-invite po namin sila today. Hindi ko na ulisin yung ano kasi babasahin ko pa po kung ano nangyari. However, pagsasama-samahin po namin. And then, ang next na pong pagkikita natin, sana magkita-kita muli tayo, is next year. By next year, we would already be presenting to you the results of everything that we have done. Kasi nga po itong process. Pati po yung kanina, if you remember na nag-presenting po yung Tangere, kasi we wanted to learn about the Filipino consumer. So, dito po nagtatapos ngayong taon ang ating Section G job blueprint. But next year, we would like to present to you the results of everything that we have collected. Plus, hopefully, matuloy po tayo, di ba? Yung ating supposed to be mag-job fair din tayo. Para nandun lahat nung pwede natin matulungan din. Kasi after all, it is a Section G job blueprint initiative. So, hindi ko na po papahabain pa. Tigil na lang natin yung 100 slides. Maraming salamat ho. Thank you very much for being here.